Oh, it's that golden hour light, girl.
It's the Queen City Thrift Series.
That store was amazing. Look how glorious it looks in the sunset.
Two days, 8 thrift stores, 1 trip to the bins, and a $200 budget. This thrifter is on the hunt for vintage and one-of-a-kind items, and to see the best thrifting that Queen City has to offer. Join me here every Sunday and Wednesday in October for a new thrifting adventure and one big haul.
Okay, North Carolina, I see you. Who is she?
I'm shameless.
It is sort of like a thrifting unicorn, right?
It's so lovely here.
There is so much gold here. I'm like in heaven.
We are at Value Village, Value Village. That's what we used to say when I was a kid. Because you know how you say like Target to make Target sound very bougie? Well, we would say like Value Village for the same reason, make it sound French-ass. Thrift store. Okay, we're here. Let's get going. Let's thrift. Look how glorious it looks in the sunset. Value Village. Girl, that's a French-ass thrift store.
T-shirts that I had to have, but they definitely have like a much bigger selection here than what I'm used to at home, so it's a good sign for this trip. I'll find something. Let me show you what I found in the men's button down. These are both the Ralph Lauren button down that I'm looking for, but I'm not sure if I love the colors. I really wanted something like neutral, although this blue is like normally one of my go-to shirts. But and I do love like the little horse logo on here is so cute. These are $3.50 each. And this is an Yves Saint Laurent. I think it's a vintage Yves Saint Laurent men's button down, which actually is the color that I want. But I'm not gonna lie, I wanted like some little insignia or something like interesting on the pocket or whatever. So I don't know if I want to like grab this like just for the brand. But then again, it is sort of like a thrifting unicorn, right? $4.50. Something very North Carolina for you. NASCAR curtains. Here's a cute skirt set. I guess I'm drawn to like the houndstooth or something because I keep picking those up. They're very 80s, so. This is like a mint green one. I mean, maybe that's a little more like this past spring style, but can't you just see this set like wearing it with like a really cute cami underneath or like a bralette or something like that? This one could be kind of cute too. Can you just imagine if you were wearing the top like tucked, doing like the bra tuck and wearing it cropped or something, or even if you did like re-hem it as a crop top with this high-waisted flouncy little skirt. Be so cute for summer. And we have a winner. Look at this. Oh, so cute. They actually have like a really sizable plus size section here. This is just the skirts, but like I'm seeing that kind of like everywhere in here, which is awesome. Just for all my, you know, mid-size and plus size women, like I feel you. Sometimes it's really tough to thrift. How cute is this little vintage top? Sort of like rockabilly, like like rockabilly sailor style, you know? Wow, this looks amazing, and the lighting in this store. This is like the third wild sequiny blouse I've seen in this rack. Like, okay, North Carolina, I see you. I see you. I always have to do a quick scan to see if there's any emerald green glassware. Nada. There never is. Alright, final decisions. I think I'm going to pass on these Ralph Lauren button-ups. They're just not the right colors, and I'm going to have a lot of chances to find button-ups. I do think this is adorable, but the neckline is wrong for me, so I'm hesitating. Yes. This is pretty cool. I love the color. But one of the things I wanted to do was to crop the button-down shirt because I'm stealing it from Gloria. Gloria, you know, we talked about this. But I don't want to shop in Yves Saint Laurent, but I think I'm just gonna get it.
Amazing. That was a good store, reasonably priced. I'm ready now to go, like right across the street there's a Goodwill, so let's just do it. We can fit in one more store today before everything is closed.
This navy one is a maybe. I kind of wish it had matching buttons though, not the white ones. This is the only find that matters. I love this also is in the men's sweatshirts. Like, how cute is that? Here's where we're at with the t-shirts. Like, there are a lot of really fun ones. Not like I'm like really want to get all of these, but I'll show you. Do love Chris Farley, and this is from Saturday Night Live. If you know the skit, I love it. Like, what is this? I don't know. The sleeve says Dr. Pepper. I play drums, so I really like this. This is a brand of cymbals, if you don't know. My favorites are this one. I think I most likely will get Johnny Cash. I do think it's cool because it has the Sun Records logo. This one. And this one. At a glance, I'm seeing like a lot of amazing sweaters, so I'm gonna like kind of dig through the sweaters, I think, like thoroughly. This sweater just, it speaks for itself. I don't know what it's saying, but it speaks for itself. This sweater is way too perfect. Oh, it's made for me. Looks like something you'd say on like ModCloth, probably. Pink owl. It's a romper. Okay, it does say maternity, but hear me out. It's cute. This is kind of like a cheaply made dress, but like the colors in it. This would be really fun to style. So maybe. Nice redemption for that red blazer dress I tried like a couple months ago that didn't fit. Maybe this one will. I think this one is actually probably vintage. Let's put the lace on it. This is so pretty and unique. It's really not my style, but it's so tempting to like buy just to resell, and I'm not like doing a ton of that. But you guys, let me know, like, should I have bought this dress? Because I think I'm gonna leave it behind. This label makes me cry. Get it? Get it? And then the skirts. I just looked at the skirts without you. I'm sorry. I actually remember seeing this in Express when it came out like 2 years ago. And I think they had a midi length too, or like a knee length, and I really kind of wanted it, but this like would not fit me. I think it would like barely go over my booty. I wonder if I could actually even like wear this as a tube top though. I'm shameless. The thing is, I will never wear a tube top, but like I would wear it under a jacket, and I think that would be really cute, but do I need it for that like one like styling capability? I don't know. I found a lot of good stuff in this store, so I need to like pare it down. And once again, I missed the men's jackets. I'm still looking for a denim jacket, so I think we're like wrapping up though. So let's pare it down and find a jacket. I don't see any men's jackets. Like, is it just not a thing here because the weather is so delightful all the time? Could be.
Also, just got tacos to go. I'm very excited about that. Yay!
Did I just have the best day ever? Did I? This is like up there. For 2020, this is like definitely as good as it gets. Day of thrifting, finish the day with tacos. Oh, yeah, feeling very, very lucky right now. I just pulled up to the Airbnb and this owl swooped down like over the top of my windshield and then landed in this branch. I don't know what kind of omen that is, but he is so cool. He's a little bit scary. Ah! He's very cool, but a little bit scary. Hello. Dude, now there's 2 deer right there. What? Where am I? What is going on? There's all these woodland creatures like in the suburbs here. I also saw a raccoon like right there behind that car, and then I saw the deer. It's just neat. I don't know.
Hey, sorry, this is like super awkward, but I felt like maybe I needed to just have a little like final word for the end of this day. I am obviously super tired, so wiped out, but feeling like very happy with how today went, feeling very fortunate. Tomorrow is another day and we've got a full docket of thrift stores to go to, so I'm gonna get my Z's, my beauty sleep, and hit it first thing in the morning. So thanks for coming along today, and I'll see you in the next video.